Good afternoon. Today in front of us is a flatbed with a bulkhead. The flatbed is here. The bulkhead is like this. This is the bulkhead. Someone call it front wall. Doesn't necessarily to have the right name or not. This device anyway. Okay, same as other trailers. This one is for the domestic market, China market. This is the air connector, and this is electric and ABS socket, and this one is ABS light, and this one is the roof hog to do the roof fastening, something like that. This is a reflector, and this one is a light, LED light, and this is a removable front wall, removable bulkhead. We have two buckets to support it. Here we have a roof fastener and the roof hog. Here we have the kingpin, same 3.5 inch, 19 millimeter diameter kingpin, bolted type. You can remove the bolt and change it to the 50 millimeter diameter, which is 2-inch kingpin. There's only two different types of the kingpin. The bigger one, 3.5 inch, the small one, 2-inch. Landing gear, same, like all the domestic market trailer. They almost use this only once, so we use a very weak one. It's very cheap. And the other side, that's a cage. They can store some low value things like strips or some clothes, some buffers, some ropes. Did I say ropes again? Okay. All right, that's all the supporting bucket and cross member, and those are the rails from the front to the rear to support the deck, to support the floor. Here is the side protection, and that's two separate toolbox. You can easily see the top from here. You don't need to climb to the top. Just check the plate, give more force to the cargo so the cargo won't move around when you're driving it. But it's better to have the rope to fasten it. Okay, normal light, same as others. And the tire, this one is Westlake tire, and the axle is made from our own axle factory. The suspension here we're using is equalizer leaf spring suspension, and like all the suspension, we always add a reinforced plate from the bottom of the bottom flange to the top flange to make sure it has enough strength. Here's how it looks in the rear. And okay, that's easy trailer. All right, this is how it looks from the rear side. And the light, reflector tape, license light, reflector tape, and the rear guard. Here is our sales phone number. You can call this number in China anytime. This is the spare tire carrier, and here you can operate it. So this would lift and drop the tire. Okay. Now we're under the trailer again. All right, same as all other trailers, leaf spring, slide adjuster, air reserve tank, and the braking hose, nylon tube, braking chamber, equalizer, suspension hanger, and the emergency valve, ABS line. That's all. Let's see how it looks from the outside. All right, this side is the right side of the trailer. It looks exactly at the left side. Not exactly. There they have the cage instead of the toolbox. Okay. I think that's quite enough for this flatbed trailer. Hope you guys all enjoy this video today, and see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.